Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I will tell you how the gold price has moved in the last 2 days and how the gold price can move in the next 2 days. See, if you have seen my previous video weekly as well as monthly, I have already told you that the price of gold is bullish above a level of 1800. Okay, if it sustain a level of 1795, we can see it can go further high, and now it is trading at around 1819.93. See, what I have told you that if the price moves above a level of 1800, chances are high that it can go at a level of 1807. If it sustain 1807 to a level of 1810, once 1810 sustained, I have already told you that you can check my previous video, 1815 to 1816 we can see it can touch, and after that we can see a level of 1821. Okay, so it has already touched a level of 1820 point around 20.69 or 1822.10. okay, so what we can see, and already made a high. Before that, if you have any doubt regarding gold position, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com or a mail ID I have given in the description. Please watch the full video, then you will understand how this technical in gold is working. And if you wish to join my telegram channel, link I have given in the description, you can join. See, now if we keep looking at the chart, if we look at the chart again, we can see there is a narrow pattern forming. Okay, what this narrow pattern says, okay, if you look at from a longer view also, you can see a narrow pattern is forming. Okay, so probability of going high, there are high chances if it breaks this pattern downside or upside, we can see a sharp fall or rise in the price of gold. Okay, so what we can see in the next 2 days, see, if we look at the chart, we have seen there is a sharp rise in the price of gold from a level of 1795, and now it has made of around 1822. Suppose if the price sustain this level, then chances are high it can go and touch a level of 1823.52, and from there we can see a level of 1829. And if you look at this chart, we can see this level is already tested here 2-3 times, so chances will be high we can see a level of 1830.32. okay, and if the price sustains, 1832, because these levels are already sustained, already tested here 2-3 times, so chances will be very high we can see it can go further high and can touch a level of 1844.89. suppose if the price, and if you look at this level, this level also got weak, and from there if it sustain this level, we can see it can go further high to a level of 1860. okay, and from there if the price sustain above this level, okay, if the price sustain above this level, then we can see it can go further high to a level of 1868. okay, and from there we can see it can make a level of 1877.93 also. okay, why I'm telling you this, because this is the particular range. okay, and the range high is around 1877.93. once this range breaks upside, then we can see it can go and make a new high also, not in for a month of around 4-5 months. so because once this range breaks upside, we can see it can go, it can touch a level of 1915 also, because once this, and I've already explained that if the price of some commodities or any stock move in a particular range for some time, or if it breaks upside or downside from that particular zone, we can see a sharp rise or fall in the price of that particular stock or commodity, or even 4x you can say. okay, so now if the price comes close to 1829, we can see it can go further high to a level of 1834, and from there we can see it can go and touch a level of 1848. if it sustain above this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 1868.480, and from there we can see a level of 1877, and these levels are already tested here 1877, so chances will be very high we can see a level of 1888, and from there we can see it can go further high to a level of 1900 also. okay, but suppose if the price didn't sustain, then what we can see, it can go and touch a level of 1813 also, and if it didn't sustain this level 1813.62, then we can see a level of 1808.96. suppose if the price didn't sustain that level also, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 1798. okay, once 1798 is touched, then we can see it can go further low to a level of 1792.64. okay, and if the price didn't sustain that level also, then we can see a level of 1784. So if it didn't sustain that level, then we can see it can go fall further to a level of 1778. Okay, and once 1778 cross downside, then we can see the probability of going towards 1770 is very high, and from there we can see a level of 1755 also. But as of now, what I can see, a strong support coming at around 1801. If the price goes below this level, then only we can see it can come to a level of 1783 or to a level of 1777. Okay, or suppose if the price goes below this level, then we can see a level of 1763.50. okay, now what I'm telling you, that a trend towards upside has come for the gold. Once it goes above 1845, and I will told you that this is the price where if it sustain this level 1845, we can see 10 20 or $30 movement towards the upside of the gold. Okay, and now I summarize it, that now remember one thing, if we have seen that a narrow pattern is forming. Okay, so narrow pattern is forming, so we can see a range of, if it goes above a level of 1829, then we can see it can go further upside and can touch a level of 1845, and once if it touch this level, then we can see a level of 1860 also, or 1857 to 66 also, or it can go further high. But if this trend line breaks downside, then we can see it can go to a level of 1786, or from there we can see a level of 1774. Okay, and if the price didn't sustain this level also, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 1753.56, or it can go to a level 1722. Okay, so any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.